Howdy everyone, we're at the Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. The Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. This is the gorgeous B3. We're about to walk through it and take a look at it. It's just beautiful. So this is what it looks like here. It's very, very nice. This is a 1 minute walkthrough. I just want you to see the really pretty kitchen here, really beautiful backsplash in the kitchen. I mean, look at that gorgeous, gorgeous backsplash. That's very, very nice. And look at this beautiful islandish thing that's coming out. You got a really nice bar area over here, built-in desk, super cool. And then look at these views. So we're gonna check this out real quick, just so you can see it. It does have a balcony, so you can get out there and get that open air. But look at these incredible views you're gonna have here. And then let's just walk into one of the bedrooms. This is the master, very, very nice. So notice you do have very beautiful windows in here as well, and a gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom here with a dual sink. Very, very nice with that walk-in shower and a huge, huge closet. So it's a beautiful apartment. It's all new. This building just recently opened. You're gonna love it here at the Hanover Turtle Creek. Hey, why not set up a virtual tour? We can do a live virtual tour for you and get you more information. Would love to do that for you. Set up that virtual tour now by texting me at the number below. We work with Hanover. They love working with us. We work with them, but we work 24/7. We'll help you get that perfect place here at the Hanover Turtle Creek that fits your time frame and your lifestyle and your needs. Send me a text at the number below and look forward to hearing from you.